Alright, welcome to the video. Today we're going to look at how we can change a Volkswagen Golf key that looks something like this. So you've got the buttons over here and you've got a button here to flick out the actual key itself, and you'll just need to actually get through in over here in order to change the battery. So the battery you'll need is a CR2025 lithium battery. Now you can use a pry tool, or I've just got a little screwdriver here. It's actually a pretty hard plastic, so it should be okay. Now just as you can see here, just give it a little twist and there you have it. You just need to open the battery now, give it a little flick, just this little notch here just to flick it up. Get the new one in. You'll see little springs in there that you can push in, so just like that, push it in, sit straight there, close the lid on, and there you go, it's working again as you can see. So lights over here, lock, unlock, there you go, done.